Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are fine. You have more time to study and you have tried your best to utilize this time. I think so. Am I correct or not? I pray for this. Okay. You have studied last class comparison of Indian system and international system and main differences between this system, and we have understood main 2 points to remember: usage of plural form and the usage of and while indicating the ones period, numbers of ones, digits of numbers ones period. Okay? Yes. Today a interesting topic we have to discuss. An interesting topic is which is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. How can we compare two numbers or more numbers? Which is biggest, which is smallest, which is bigger or smaller or large? Okay? Largest and smallest numbers. How can we find out the largest number from one more numbers, and how can we find out the smallest number from one more numbers? Let us study. There are three rules. There are three rules. If you studied these three rules, then it is very simple to find out largest or smallest. Are you okay? Are you ready to study the three rules? Okay. You can see in page number 6. While comparing two numbers, the following rules are followed. Following rules are followed. First rule: the number having more digits is always the larger number. It is very, very simple. The number having more digits is always the larger number. If you go to select the largest or the smallest number, you got two number. If you are asked giving two numbers, which is smallest, then you have to count how many digits are there in each numbers. Then the number having more digits, is always the larger number. Have you got it? Did you understand? Okay, please, I will write an example. Yes. Which is smaller, which is larger? It is very simple, because first rule, what is first rule? The number having more digits. How many digits are here? How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 digits. Am I correct or not? Okay. Here 6 digits. The place value or place values are more here, because ones, tens, hundreds, 1000s, 10,000s, lakh. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So here the numbers of digit is 6. Here 5. Then it is very simple to find out which is the largest number. Here this is the larger number than this. How we can find? We just count the digits. The number having more digits is always larger. Okay? Yes. How we can use to larger or smaller? This sign is used for larger and smaller. This sign. Okay? Let us use here. Which is the larger? Yes, 9 is larger. Then we can use this sign. If it is like this, then we used this. Sorry. Okay, here we used this sign, here we used this sign. Yes. Do you understand? 6 is lesser than, smaller than 9. 9 is larger than 6. This is very important one in our maths. So please listen here carefully and write it. Let us write this number. Here. Okay. Which sign we used? This or this? Which is correct? Yes. This is the correct because this is the larger number than this number. Okay. So this sign is used. Did you understand? This is very simple. I will give you one more questions. There are examples. You can read it. Okay. First rule is over. Then second rule. Please listen here. When both the numbers have the same number of digits. When both numbers have the same number of digits, compare the digits in the leftmost place. Leftmost places. The digit with a larger place value. Okay? Yes. Yes. Which is larger, which is smaller? Very simple. How can we find out? Yes. Here, first rule we studied that having the number having more digits. Number having more digits. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this rule cannot be followed here. This rule cannot be used here. So second rule is used. What is second rule? What is second rule? When both numbers have the same number. When both numbers have the same number of digits. Same number of digits. Same number of digits. Here 5 and here 5. Then both digits are same. Then what we'll do? Compare the digits in the leftmost place. Leftmost place. Which is the leftmost place here? This is leftmost place. This 8 and this 9. We compare these two digits. We compare these two digits. 9 or 8 is bigger. 9 or 8. When we compare 9 and 8, which is larger? Yes, 9 is larger. So, this is larger number than this number. This is the second rule. Then we used this sign. Did you understand? Did you understand? When the digits of both number are same, then we find out which is larger from the left. From the left. We compare the at least left number of both comparing numbers. Okay? It is very simple one. Please listen here carefully. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay? Please write down in your notebook these important points. Next one, rule number 3. If the digits in the leftmost places are equal, if the digits in the leftmost places are equal, then the next place is compared. I can give an example. Yes. How many numbers are there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then both numbers have 7 digits. Then we have to compare the left digits. Here 9, here 9. Both are same. Here 7. Next. Then we take the next left. Next. We take compare, then next place is compared. Next place here this 5, here also 5. Then we have to take the next place. Here 2, here 3. Then this is the bigger, this is the larger number. Okay? Yes. These are the 3 rules to find out smaller and larger number. Okay? I will give you more questions in our WhatsApp group. Some homework questions. Please take your textbook, page number 7. You can see exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. There are 5 questions. You have to write down the answer of 3 questions. Question number 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Question number 3. Here let us write 1. Fill in the blanks with fill in the blanks with these signs, smaller than or lesser than. This is larger than and smaller than sign. Using these 2 signs, fill in the blanks. There are A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 questions you have to write down in your notebook. You can see there question number 3. You can see there question number 3. And you have down next question number 4 there. Write the predecessor and successor of the following. Predecessor and successor of the following. You have studied this. Next question number 5. Form the largest and the smallest 8-digit numbers with the following numerals. Form the largest and the smallest 8-digit numbers with the following numeral. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. In each questions there are 8 digits are given there. So you have to take each digits one time and you have to form the largest and smallest. Both largest and smallest number you have to write down. Okay. These are the 3 questions you have to write in your notebook and you have to send to our WhatsApp group. Okay. If you have any doubt, you have to clear it. Otherwise, the next class will be very difficult for you. These classes, each classes is very important. If you avoid one class, then it will affect the next class. So, please take it serious. Maths is very simple if you take it serious and if you are ready to spend some time for mathematics. Okay, wish you all the best. Let us see next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.